Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lauryne. If this is your first time here, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing some new Maybelline makeup. Well, technically it's going to be my first impression, but I'm going to wear it through the day and tell you guys how I like it. I have a few new products from Maybelline. I have the Dream Urban Cover Foundation, and I have the Susperstay Concealer. So yeah, if you want to see my thoughts on these products, please keep watching. So I have the foundation right here, and I have two shades. I have the shade 340 Cappuccino. I also have the shade 348 Cafe au Lait. And this foundation comes in 16 shades, which is pretty low for Maybelline considering their Fit Me comes in 40 shades. Now I know they didn't start in with 40 shades, but with the precedent for each like more inclusive launches, I was surprised to see that it only came out with 16 shades. I think that they're just trying to test and see how people like this, and then probably they'll add more shades. I know they did that with Susperstay. This is the Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Protective Makeup and Sunscreen. This has a broad spectrum SPF of 50, and this is supposed to make your skin better as you wear it. Now I'm usually 355 in this foundation, but they didn't have 355 in this launch, so they only have 340 and 348. Then it jumps to 362, which I know is not my shade, and 375. So I'm a little nervous about the undertones of these, but we're just gonna go ahead and get started putting them on. These were $10 at Target. I got these at Target. I think Ulta is always going to be a little bit more expensive. I think I saw that it was $12, but yeah, I got mine at Target. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to put one side of my face on with a brush and the other half with a sponge. You have to shake this up because it's probably too late for you to see it, but you can tell like the foundation doesn't get mixed together really well when it's just sitting, so you should shake this up really well. And it sounds like it's going to be really liquidy. Yeah, it is liquidy. So I'm just gonna dot some off. I hope I don't look crazy though, so I have to go to work. My sponge right here. Oh, it definitely smells like sunscreen. And I already moisturized with Drunk Elephant moisturizer for them. And that's all I did. I didn't do anything. I didn't prime or do anything extra. Yeah, I think this is going to be the closest match to me. Let me do a swatch on my hand. So this one is 348 and this one is 340. I wish this one was this undertone. I wish this one was this undertone, but like this deep. So yeah, that's what's going on here. I'm thinking that it looks a little gray on me, like it's not doing anything to brighten my skin up right now, but let me go in with a little bit more. I mean, it doesn't feel like anything on the skin, which that's good, and it's easy to blend out. I like the packaging of this too. It makes it easy to apply. I'm just going to take this brush. Yeah, I can really smell the sunscreen. I wonder if it's going to linger throughout the day. Now, if we're being honest, I really can't tell the difference between the brush side and the sponge side. So I guess that's good. Like, you can do whatever preferred method that you like to put your foundation on. So this is what the foundation looks like on me as is. I think my opinion is going to change when I actually get in front of a computer. I think my opinion is going to change on it when I actually get in front of a computer and edit it. But it doesn't look horrible, especially under these lights. But what do you guys think? I'm really picky about my shades. Like, I don't like to look gray. If it's not going to be my exact shade, I'd rather it brighten me up and bring life into my skin. Not to be too light. Like, I'm not trying to be lighter, but I want it to brighten my skin. I don't want my skin to look dull, if you know what I mean. But I think right now everything looks cohesive. When I swatched it, I wasn't feeling too good about it. I didn't think it would be a right match, but I think 348 is good. So now I'm going to move on to the concealer. This is 40 Caramel, and this came in, like, I don't want to get it wrong. I don't know how many shades this came in, but they all look darker in the packaging than I think they do in this actual packaging that it comes in. So I picked up the shade 40 Caramel. I'm just going to swatch it on my hand real quick. That's pretty bright for me. I usually don't wear concealer that bright. Or let me be quiet. Let me see how. Oh yeah, see, I'm not bugging. Yeah, this is my Oma concealer. This is like the shade I regularly go for. How bright I usually go for. So this is Oma, and this is the Maybelline one. So this is a lot lighter than I usually go for, but I'm gonna try it for you guys. If I look crazy, I'm doing it for y'all. So this is the Maybelline Superstay Total Coverage Concealer. And I didn't know that they were coming out with this. I didn't see any promotion for it, really. I will say I like the yellow in it. It looks nice. So I'm gonna start with that little bit and then go from there. If it's too bright, I'm going to darken it up with the foundation. There's always a trick you can use. How do you guys think? I'm not mad at it, actually. I think the next shade under this was Cafe. So if I was smart and not rushing, I think I would have actually went with Cafe. So if you like a more natural under eye like I usually do, I would think I will go with the shade under this. But I think my powder is going to tone it down too. So far everything feels nice. Everything feels nice and hydrated. You can see I have a glow because of the SPF and all, which is really good. But for lasting power, I know I'm gonna have to set everything down so it doesn't move throughout the day. So I'm going to go keep it all in the family. I'm going to use my Fit Me powder. I have it in the shade medium deep. So I'm just gonna take my sponge, press it in, and then for the rest of my face, I'm going to take a fluffier brush and go all over because, like I said, it's extra glowy because of the SPF. take my bronzer from Fenty. Hopefully this will add more color back into my skin. By looking at the viewfinder, that helped a lot. For highlighter, I'm going to use Master Chrome. Mine is all broken, but I still want to use her up. Alright guys, so the last thing I have to try for you real quick are the lips. What do they call it? The Susperstay ink crayons. Laugh Louder is the orangey red, and then I have Your Own Empire and 50. So kind of do an ombre lip, little ombre lip for you. I had lip balm on so it could glide on nicer. I think the dark one is more opaque than the orange. So this is my face all done, guys. What do you think? I have my thoughts, but I'm going to save them for the end when I come back from work. I really want to see how the products wear throughout the day. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'll see you guys when I come back. Hey guys, so I'm about to go on my lunch break. It's 11:45 right now. I put my makeup on at 6:30, 6:45 was when I was finished. So this is what I'm looking like. You can see the oils coming through around my nose, and I'm starting to crease a bit. I'm surprised my lip is still on because I've been drinking tea and snacking. So this is what I look like. I do think I am a little gray. But yeah, I don't know. I never know with all of the light and, you know, things. But that's the one thing that I get paranoid about, the shade and if I look gray or whatnot. So I'm just gonna blot just with a paper towel. Try not to rub too much off. See, a good bit of came off. Yeah, that's what it looks like now. I'll check in later tonight. So guys, this is what I look like after a full day of work and being in the hot car. That commute back is no joke. So I put my makeup on at 6:30-ish a.m. and now it's 6:30 p.m. So it's been a grand total of 12 hours. Yeah, 12. Huh? I can still do math. Praise God. But yeah, this is what I look like. I'll zoom y'all into the quite shiny around here in my forehead. But like that's normal, but I do think that I was getting to that shiny point earlier in the day because of all that SPF. But yeah, let's see what blotting it looks like. I do think it transferred a lot throughout the day. Like I would touch my face and would product would come off on my hand. So that was something. And I think a lot of product came off my nose too because I was sweating and all. But the concealer stayed put. That was good. Yeah, the concealer didn't do any extraordinary creasing, just where I usually have my creases, so that's good. And yeah. Yeah, I don't know about this one, guys. Let me zoom you up. Yeah, I'm not sure about how I feel about this one right off the bat, guys. I guess that's what first impressions are for. The shade, I'm just not used to this shade, and I think I have to wear it a few more times to really make up my mind how I feel about it. So yeah, I like the concealer. I do think I will in the future, if I decide to rebuy it, I'll go a shade down. And yeah, now I really love these lips. They're not matte though. I mean, they're not uncomfortable matte is what I'll say. That's the term I was looking for, transfer proof. They're not transfer proof because whenever I ate or anything, it came right off. So yeah, it's a toss-up for me, guys. I can't really say I fully love the foundation. I don't really hate it either because I really like the concept of having SPF in products. That's really nice. But yeah, I still just can't get over the shade range and how the shades jumped for the deeper section. So yeah, that's how I feel. So that concludes my video on the new products from Maybelline, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you plan on getting some of these products, please let me know how you feel about them in the comment section below. Let me know which of these products were your favorite to see on me. Let me know if you think I'm bugging about the foundation or if you think I'm right, because I think this is definitely going to be something that I'm going to have to try again and again and see what other people think about it on me. So it's not one stop, you know, instant love thing. I'll be honest and tell you that. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.